Hi, I'm Mike, Managing Director of SmartPack. We're a family-owned business that have been renovating kitchens, laundries, bathrooms and home offices for the last 30 years. Over the past few months, we've been asked things like, how can I save more money around the house? I want a new laundry, where do I begin? What are the right laundry accessories I can fit in? This is the fifth in the series where we'll share with you tips on saving money in the laundry. Firstly, clean out the filters in your dryer. Don't overload with too many clothes, and where possible, hang them on the line. Next, make sure you use the cold cycle with a full load of washing. And finally, use the shorter washing cycles. Most modern machines have eco wash cycles which do a great job. If any of this has prompted you to do a project around the home, especially a laundry, give us a call on 1300 459 305 or click the link to visit our website. Have a great day. Stay safe.